Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word pout, its meaning, definition and the example. Pout. The definition of pout is to protrude the lips in an expression of displeasure or sulkiness. The synonyms of pout are grump, sulk, frown, express. Now let me show the example of pout word in sentences are: there is nothing like a gorgeous pout to make you stand out in a crowd. For a just bitten ripened pout, lip stains are certainly hard to beat. Try a cool berry to really amplify your pout and keep the rest simple. Dolls had a perpetual pout, her lower lip larger than the top one. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.